Hello, this is Johnny Bad, 661 John FK page again. If people wondering where I got money from my employer's uh, hardship fund. It allowed me to qualify for it, even though I only been there a month with the employer, but they let me qualify for it, which I appreciate. And I gotta get the back to work papers uh, to I gotta get my back to work clearances from my doctors to go back to work. I get some money in here, but anyway, like act of Congress with them. Home Depot. I got a case manager signed to me. That's how big the place, how big the company is. You have to have a case manager at the headquarters to handle your case so you don't get fired. Yeah. I'm looking at my employee number. Is that how many people they got working for this place? God damn. Or had working for the place. Um, yes, if you're wondering where I'm getting all this money, I have to go to the dealership and do the Harley Davidson dealership and stuff. Heartfelt thanks to them for allowing me to get that. And caught up on a few bills, but now it's just a matter of still needs a little bit more help getting stuff to eat in here. Um, Not completely out of the woods. Um, anyway, um, thank you, Home Depot, for helping me.